Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have received this parcel from Miniature Money and let's see what's inside. So this is in collaboration with Miniature Money, and money in Kannada means home. So this is in collaboration, and Miniature Money has some amazing miniatures and various gift items. You can see the link in description. So this is our parcel. So let's open this. And I have to tell, the packaging was so superb that the gift inside is not even touched by the outside things, and the bubble wrap is also quite fine. And this is a super cute Valentine's special. And this is how it looks, and this is from Miniature Money. And also when we press this, it lights up. Woohoo! And this is completely handmade and made with lot of efforts and love. So if you want to order this, I will give all the links in the description, and follow this awesome page called Miniature Money. And thank you so much Miniature Money for collaborating with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you loved the video, do subscribe to my channel and do follow Miniature Money, and also check out their amazing gift products. Thank you.
Wasted, friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to lose. Strangers in my sheets, wake up, rewind and repeat, but I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and
Hey, we are not yet done. So this is amazing Valentine's Day special light up card for your loved ones. So what are you waiting for? Give this card to your loved ones and show the love, express the love this Valentine's. All the links are given in the description box. Like the video, follow Miniature Money and me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.